From this, the first is list, which is the most flexible sequence. A list is basically the ordered collection of elements, and it is mutable too. Now, mutable means you can change its value after the creation. Once you create this list data type, after creation, you can change its value. That is called the mutability. Now let's see, this list are written using square brackets. For example, numbers are equal to 10, 20, 30, 40. But now these are written under this type of square brackets, and that is very important. Now another important thing is this list can store integer, float, string and even mixed data. Here you can see integer, float and then string. So this is the mixture of data, and you can store this mixture of data in list data type. Now because of this flexibility, that makes this list extremely useful. If we talk of real world application, then it is used in student marks, shopping cart items, data collection from user and many more. So this list sequence data type is really very helpful. Now it's time for quick check. Let's see how well you understand this concept. So I'm going to ask you a question and you're supposed to answer as quickly as possible. Which of the following is correctly defined as a list in Python? Your options are this: A. Ordered and immutable collection, B. Unordered and mutable collection, C. Ordered and mutable collection, and D. Uncontrolled and immutable collection. So here you have four options. Think over it and then write the answer into the comment section. Once you are done with that, we'll move to the next section.